Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to file a complaint on the Circle K website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in circlek.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Circle K website. You can proceed with logging in to your account by using your credentials, or if you wish to contact the support, you can directly click on the Contact Us option at the top right corner. This will then open up the contact page. Just type in your full name within the full name box, followed by your email address and your phone number. Then enter your zip or your postal code, and then choose what kind of question you would like to ask. Just choose whichever option resembles your issue to the closest, and then choose the area as well. After entering your address, you will be allowed to post your comments. Just type in your query and enter the full details of your complaint within the comments box. Then finally click on I'm not a robot to verify your identity and click on the submit button. Once you click on this button, your request will be sent to the Circle K team and your complaint will officially be added, and you will get a response to this complaint within a few working days. And from this response, you will be able to follow through and solve whatever issue you are having. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to file a complaint on Circle K. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.